Hello everyone, this is Przemysław Radomski talking to you on October the 2nd, so shortly after the week ended. And well, it did end with something major. Unfortunately, it's not something that most people will notice because it's not something that happened in gold, it's not something that happened in silver, it's not something that happened in mining stocks, it's not something that happened in the USD index or the general stock market. It's something that happened in the gold stocks to gold ratio. And what happened is truly profound. If there was one chart that you really need to pay attention to right now, it's this chart. Okay, it's not popular, it's not fancy, it's not widely covered, but it's profoundly important right now. Just this single chart. Let's take a look. Okay, the point of analyzing this chart is noticing the major breakdown that happened very recently. What we saw is a move that was just confirmed with weekly closing prices, move below the rising long-term support line that I'm drawing right now. This line is based on three major lows, so it's very strong and it's very important that the ratio managed to break below it. It managed to do that also last year, and well, we all know what happened on the precious metals market in early 2020. That was carnage. People, and it's something that's likely to take place also probably in the next, if not several weeks, then several months. Of course, there are many more charts that point to this outlook, but today I just want to focus on this single chart. And well, it's not just because this line was broken that it's so bearish. No, the thing that makes this action so bearish is the comparison to what happened in early 2013. And it's the same kind of breakdown that we saw back then. Right? There was an even longer and more important support line, but still in the same ballpark with regard to its importance and significance. The line that was broken at that time, and significantly so. And well, what followed then in 2013, of course, the ratio declined significantly. But what happened in gold? It too declined significantly. What happened in silver? It declined significantly. What happened in the gold stocks? Yep, you got that right. They declined significantly. These were the kind of moves that you don't want to miss. These were the kind of moves that you didn't really want to ignore either, even if you were on the bullish camp and you just wanted to get the perfect buying opportunity. All right, if your approach is very long term, if you want to hold gold for 5 to 10 years, sure, you will most likely make a killing on your profits if you just buy now and hold. Even bigger profits in silver. All right, but if you knew at that time that gold was about to decline hundreds of dollars, would you rather not wait with your purchases until it declined? Well, I'm leaving this up to you. It's up to you to decide. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. Nothing that I'm telling you right now or in any other video or text is an investment advice. That's just my general opinion. I don't guarantee anything with regard to any price move. But, what we saw right now on the markets is profound. Okay, I don't want you to miss it. Make investment decisions as you please. Consult with an investment advisor. But be sure to take this into account. Do this to yourself, do this for yourself, and pay attention to also this indication. Of course, there are various ways to take advantage of this information, including taking a short position in a part of the precious metals sector. And right now we have a very, very specific situation in the precious metals market where one part of the precious metals sector is likely to decline more than the others. and I described that in the premium alerts last week. Even if you don't have this insight, or you don't include it in your trading decisions, then practically virtually whatever part of the precious metal sector you would choose to short, it's likely that this position would turn to be profitable over the course of the next several weeks to months. Again, no guarantees. Not each and every part of the precious metals market might decline, but yeah, I do think it's very likely that it will happen. Of course, if you've been following my analysis for some time, you know why, you know more reasons behind this analysis than just this chart. But this chart is like the cherry on the analytical bearish cake right now. Okay, we have it, people. We have it. We have this major bearish confirmation from this all-important gold stocks to gold ratio. And also, as a bonus insight, if you're seeing a rally in gold or in silver or in mining stocks, but you're not seeing a rally in this ratio, it's probably not a major, probably not after a major bottom. The thing is about the precious metals sector is that it tends to perform specifically after major bottoms, and one of the things is that mining stocks are very often the first to show strength. We saw that in about 20 years ago, where the bottom in the ratio preceded the bottom in gold. We saw that in 2008. We saw that in 2016. Not in the first few days, but in general. So that's it for today. Be sure to keep this in mind, and good luck in your trading next week and in the following weeks. Thank you. Signing off, and be sure to read the disclaimer below the video. Thank you. Have a great week. Bye-bye.